Elephant and Soccer Wolf stories. It's Monday morning, and Cutie Elephant is getting ready for school. By the window, she starts thinking about how to make a new friend.
Mama said I should invite someone to play with me to make friends. Maybe I can invite Lili Bunny to bake cookies with me. Mommy, can I invite Lili Bunny to our house to bake cookies? She's new at school, and I really want to be her friend.
That's a wonderful idea, Cutie. I love how brave you're being. Inviting someone to play is a kind way to start a friendship.
Okay.
Hi, Cutie Elephant. You look happy today.
I was wondering, would you like to come to my house and bake cookies with me?
Bake cookies? I love cookies.
How about this Saturday?
Okay.
Really? Yay! I'm so glad you said yes!
I've never baked cookies before, but I'd love to try.
That's okay. I've baked with my mom before. I can show you how.
Okay, I'll see you on Saturday.
Hi, Lili Bunny. I'm so happy you're here.
Hi, Cutie Elephant. I brought my favorite sprinkles.
Ooh, woohoo! We can use them on our cookies.
Lili Bunny, we're so happy you're here. Cutie told me you're going to bake cookies today, and everything is ready.
Thank you, Mama Elephant.
Okay, first, let's add the flour to make the batter.
Ooh, can I pour it in?
Sure. I'll hold the bowl and you can pour.
Okay, I'll pour it slowly.
Good job! You're doing great! Now I'll add the oil. Next, let's add the milk.
Can I pour it this time?
Of course! Go ahead!
Okay, I'll pour it slowly again.
Great job, Lili Bunny! Now we need baking soda. Just a little bit. There we go! Now it's time to add the sprinkles you brought, Lili Bunny.
Sprinkle, sprinkle. Hehe.
Perfect! Do you want to stir the batter?
Yes, I do. Oh no,
Oh,
I dropped some sprinkles.
it's okay. We can clean it up together.
Thanks for helping me.
That's what friends do. We did it!
These cookies are so good.
We should bake again next time.
You two did such a wonderful job baking those cookies. I love seeing you have so much fun together.
Thank you for inviting me over, Cutie Elephant. I was actually a little nervous to come today.
Me too. I was nervous to ask you for a play date.
Really? I thought I was the only one.
Yeah. My mom said if I invite someone to play, we can get to know each other better. And become friends.
I'm really glad you invited me.
Me too. I think we're friends now.
Best baking day ever.
Bye-bye.
See you next time.